Good evening, my dear pretty ladies. How are you all? I'm here to showcase beautiful Gadwal silk sarees. I'm at Brand Mandir. So be ready, get ready, stay tuned to our channel and do follow our pages on Instagram and Facebook, Brand Mandir. Alage YouTube lo ma channel subscribe cheskondi Brand Mandir so that you'll be getting notifications when we upload the video, and stay tuned for more exclusive collections. The saree which I am wearing is grey and pink Gadwal silk saree with all over zari stripes, and the border we have checks, contrast border with checks and temple. And now let's move these saree details, Andy. I'll be giving the saree details. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ2306. Saree cost 10,300, after discount 8,240. Send it to 733 733 7000. I repeat, 733 733 7000. Now let's move on to one more lovely saree. Wow, royal blue with parrot green combination. All over peacocks and floral booties, round booties, and the border is contrast with plain and kaddi with temple border, and this is the pallu, leaf brocade completely, and this is the blouse, contrast with border. And you can go for customized blouse like this type, and this is from Roopmani Art for Roopmani, our brand. One more brand from Brand Mandir, especially for designer thing. And to grab this saree, take a screenshot. 13,000 saree cost, after discount 10,400. Very beautiful. Take a screenshot and send it to 733 733 7000. Lovely vibrant blue, Andy. Now let's move on to one more lovely saree. Blush pink, light pastel shade along with the purple combination with all over checks, thread checks, and we have a lovely border here, purple with a pink edge with paslays and kaddi, and this is the complete kaddi pallu. And this is the blouse, contrast blouse with border. Let me tell you the saree details. MJ2305 and code 10,300 saree cost after discount 8,240. If you have any courier delays or any మీకు ఆప్షన్ ఏదైనా బుక్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు రాకపోయినా ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఫేస్ అయినా 8883260260 నెంబర్కి డయల్ చేయండి, మెసేజ్ చేయండి. అవర్ కస్టమర్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ విల్ సజెస్ట్ యూ అండి. మీకు డోంట్ వరీ, యూ విల్ బి గెటింగ్ యువర్ కొరియర్ యాజ్ సూన్ యాజ్ పాసిబుల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. Grab this lovely saree. Very beautiful. Now let's move on to one more saree. Look at the mannequins. Lovely pink with blue combination. All over booties, floral booties, and lovely border kaddi along with horses and peacocks. And this is customized blouse from our brand, R for Rukmani. Look at the intricate work andi, very beautiful. Now let's move on to one more saree. It's a green and pink combination with all over dotted booties and peacocks, and we have lovely colorful vibrant border downside with elephants, yalis, elephants and peacocks along with the kaddi. Now let's move on to one more lovely saree. Mango yellow with purple combination, all over elephant booties with gold and silver zari, and this is the pallu. Sorry, this is the border with peacocks and kaddi, yalis. Very lovely. And this is the saree code. Take a screenshot. MJ2321, 19,700 and the saree cost. Take a screenshot and send it to 733-733-7000. Now back to our collection. Lovely blue and orange combination with all over silver zari checks along with the booties, peacock booties with gold and silver zari. And this is the plain border along with the kaddi border. Very beautiful pallu, cross kaddi along with the lovely paisleys. And the saree cost 10,400 after discount and the actual price 13,000. To grab this saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ2325. Send it to 733-733-7000. And do visit our website www.brandmother.com for more exclusive collections and designer collections. And I want to tell about this ear bangles and the lovely bangles from Brandmother. Silver, pure silver with navratnas. Very lovely. And this is the neck choker. This is the olden style andi, like our grandmothers, ancestors ila veskune vallu, and this is fashion now. And this is also silver and lovely earrings, very beautiful. Now let's move on to saree details. Parrot green and purple combination. It's a violet color with all over checks, small zari checks, and this is the border, plain along with kaddi and zigzag lines. And this is the pallu, contrast with kaddi lines. and the blouse is contrast with border and lines. To grab this lovely saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ2299, 10,300 and the saree cost. 733-733-7000 की WhatsApp చేయండి స్క్రీన్షాట్ తీసి. And do visit our website www.brandmandar.com for more exclusive collections andi. And to keep on following our pages on Instagram and Facebook. And we provide global courier service and within Hyderabad we are giving cash on delivery option too. So stay tuned, keep on following our pages in Instagram and Facebook. So back to our collection. These Gadwals are pure handlooms and these are very easy to wear and very vibrant colors. They are famous for their color combinations and their zari borders, like richness, like elephants, palkis and peacocks, lovely themes. I just love Gadwal sarees andi, and lightweight kuda untayandi. Let's move on to our collection. Now let's see one more lovely saree. Wow, beautiful color వచ్చేస్తుందండి. Brinjal color with all over checks and lovely ducks andi. Pretty ducks వచ్చాయి gold and silver zari తో. Very cute ducks. And the border is plain along with the Kadian temple. Very vibrant border, color combination chaal baundandi border. And this is the pallu, lines in diamond brocade shape. And the blouse is contrast with border and stripes. And this lovely saree costs and details here. Take a screenshot and send it to 733-733-7000. And these are cost to cost prices andi, 13,000. Vibrant orange, all over checks and with a lovely border. Zigzag and stripes. And this is the pallu, leaf brocade. And this is the blouse. Very lovely. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ2297, 10,300 saree cost. Send it to 733-733-7000. Now let's move on to one more lovely saree. ఈ సారీ కూడా చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంది కదండి, గ్రే అండ్ పింక్ కాంబినేషన్. I just love this combination. Sober ga, classy ga undi color combination. Wow, black beauty andi. all over checks with gold and silver elephant booties, and the border pattu border plain yellow color along with the edge contrast red color edge ochindandi with temple, and this is the pallu with intricate stripes and elephant border, and this is the blouse contrast with border. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ 2311 13,000 and saree cost 733 ki WhatsApp cheyandi. And earrings, bangles details cheptanandi meeku. The necklace which I am wearing is 7,800. It's a pure silver. And the bangles, very lovely bangles, 14,040 rupees. Two bangles and it's a pair 14,040. And these are earrings 3,200. Now let's move on to saree details. Very vibrant peach with pretty ducks in the checks, and this is the border contrast blue with plain and kaddi along with the temples, and this is the pallu completely brocade, and the blouse is contrast with border and zari lines. To grab this lovely saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ2327. Send it to 733 and do visit our website www.brandmandar.com for more exclusive collections and designer collection. Contact our brand R for Roopmani, one more brand from Brand Mandar. Lovely bottle green and orange combination with all over Rudraksh and peacock booties with gold and silver zari, and we have very lovely vibrant orange border downside with zigzag kaddi and along with lovely paisleys, peacocks, pink edge contrast. And this is the pallu diamond brocade along with the peacocks border with meena, and this is the blouse with border, contrast blouse with border. Lovely combination and the vibrant green and orange is lovely combination and rare combination. Usually green ki red ala vastundi, orange anedi very rare andi. So obviously rare is very lovely andi. Take a screenshot and send it to 733 Now let's move on to one more lovely saree. Do follow our pages in Instagram and Facebook, Brand Mandar, and subscribe our channel, YouTube channel, Brand Mandar. And this is the purple saree with checks and lovely elephants, pretty elephants with gold and silver zari, and the border is yellow contrast border with temple and edge contrast, and the blouse is contrast with lines and edge contrast. To grab this lovely saree, take a screenshot MJ2329. Price 13,000. Send it to 733 733 7000. Now let's move on to one more lovely saree. One more black అండి, వాళ్ళ బ్లాక్ వచ్చేస్తున్నాయి. బ్లాక్ చూడగానే చాలా టెంప్టింగ్గా ఉంటుంది. లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ సారీ అండి, సచ్ ఎ వైబ్రెంట్ బ్లాక్ అండ్ ఆరెంజ్ కాంబినేషన్. వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ విత్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఎలిఫెంట్ అండ్ డీర్ బూటీస్ విత్ గోల్డ్ అండ్ సిల్వర్ సారీ. ఎక్సలెంట్ బ్లాక్. And look at the border, vibrant orange with yalis, elephants, and downside we have floral border along with the temple. And this is the pallu, zigzag brocade with lovely elephants and meena border. And the blouse is contrast with borders and very lovely. Saree details 19,700 and send it to 733 733 7000. Now let's move on to one more lovely saree, beige and mango yellow with all over checks, and the border is contrast with temple and paisleys, peacocks and blocks. Pallu, kaddi pallu, contrast kaddi pallu, and this is the blouse with border. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉందండి, కలర్ కాంబినేషన్ సూపర్గా క్లాసీగా ఉంది. సెండ్ ఇట్ టు 733 733 7000. Now let's move on to one more lovely saree. గద్వాల్ సారీస్ చాలా రిచ్గా హుందాగా ఉంటాయండి. లవ్లీ మస్టర్డ్ అండ్ పింక్ కాంబినేషన్ విత్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ peacocks and rudraksh booties, and the border is contrast with horses and kaddi, and this is the pallu, diamond brocade with florals, and the border we have horse booties. Very lovely. And this is the blouse and the contrast blouse, red blouse with border. Take a screenshot and this is the saree details, and send it to 733 733 7000. Very vibrant and lovely shade. Now let's move on to one more saree. Beige and red combination with all over floral and rudraksh booties, and downside we have red border with peacocks and kaddi with green edge contrast. Gadwal sarees and zaris are very famous andi. This is the floral brocade, diamond brocade, and this is the peacock border, slight touch of silver stripes, and the blouse is contrast with border. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ2336 22,900. Send it to 733 733 7000. Now let's move on to one more lovely saree, orange and blue combination with all over booties, Rudraksh and peacock booties, very cute little booties. And the border is contrast with lovely lotus and kaddi. We have intricate stripes with pink edge, and this is the pallu, rich brocade, diamond brocade, and the blouse is contrast with border. To grab this lovely saree, take a screenshot and send it to 733 733 7000. Now let's move on to one more lovely saree. చూసారు కదండి కలర్స్ ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉన్నాయో. లవ్లీ పికాక్ బ్లూ and red combination, and all over body we have peacock and round booties, and the border is very rich along with horse and peacock booties border and kaddi border at green edge, and rich diamond brocade pallu, and the blouse is contrast with border, red color. Grab this saree, take a screenshot and send it to 733 733 7000. Very vibrant shades andi. Now let's move on to one more lovely saree. Orange and blue, rangoli booties and round booties, florals all over body, and the border we have big mandalas and blocks, diamond blocks, and this is the pallu with brocade and small mandalas, blocks, and the blouse is contrast with booties and border. Very lovely and rich saree, and these are bridal sarees andi. This kind of sarees you can wear for wedding. Take a screenshot and send it to 733 733 7000. Now let's move on to one more lovely saree, pink and yellow. Very lovely color. All over checks and peacock and elephant booties with gold and silver zari, and the border is contrast yellow with the green patti and kaddi border along with the temples, and the pallu is completely brocade. And this is the blouse, contrast with lines and border. Very lovely ending. Take a screenshot, send it to 733 733 7000. 13,000 and the saree cost. And do visit our website www.brandmandar.com for more exclusive collections. Keep on following our pages in Instagram and Facebook. Do subscribe our channel in YouTube. Lovely greenish pink Kalnita saree andi, all over peacock and round booties vachai. And the border is intricate floral vines with peacocks and the zari border, kaddi border, and this is the pallu, floral brocade completely along with the borders, peacock borders, and this is the blouse, contrast magenta pink with border. And these are the saree details. 733 733 70000 కి స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. Now let's move on to one more saree. Grey and red, all over floral and peacock booties. Downside we have red border with peacocks, horses and cross kaddi, and the pallu is rich diamond brocade along with the borders, floral border. And this is the blouse, contrast blouse with border. Take a screenshot along with the code and send it to 7337337000. Cost వచ్చేసి 22,900 అండి. Now let's move on to one more lovely saree. Lovely spring green and red combination with all over peacock and round booties, and the border is rounds in horses, unicorns, and the kaddi border, diamonds and floral brocade pallu contrast, and the blouse is contrast with border. Take a screenshot of the saree details and then send it to 7337337000. Saree cost 22,900. Code is MJ2337. This is mandatory andi, and meeku పంపించడానికి pricing details చెప్పడానికి కూడా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. Code is very important. So note down the code MJ2337. Now let's move on to one more lovely saree. Red and pista green with all over rudraksh and peacocks, and the border is very vibrant with green pastels, round booties, and lovely lotus and kaddi in the middle. And this is the pallu with floral diamond brocade along with the lotus borders, and the blouse contrast with border. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ2340. Send it to 7337337000. Now let's move on to one more lovely saree. And do visit our website www.brandmandar.com for more exclusive collections. Rama green and red combination with all over peacock and rudraksh booties, and the border is cross kaddi along with the horses in rounds and vines, floral vines, and the pallu is diamond brocade with florals and elephant border, and this is the blouse, contrast red blouse with border. To grab this saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ2341. Send it to 7337337000. Now let's move on to one more lovely saree. Wow, grey and green combination with all over peacock and round booties, and the border is contrast with kaddi and temple, and the pallu is complete contrast green color with leaf brocade, and the blouse is contrast, and saree details note down 2328 and MJ2328 saree code 73337300 की स्क्रीनशॉट తీసి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. And we provide global courier service, and within Hyderabad you have cash on delivery option. Vibrant blue and pink combination with all over Rudraksh and peacock booties with gold and silver zari like a cross lines, and the border is contrast with kaddi along with the peacock borders, and downside we have elephant borders along with the floral vines, and the pallu completely diamond brocade with borders, and the blouse contrast magenta pink with borders. To grab this lovely saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ2317. 22,900 saree cost 73337300 की screenshot తీసి WhatsApp చేయండి. Now let's go on to lovely saree. One more. Wow, yellow and pink andi, my favorite combination with all over silver zari lines, golden silver zari lines, and we have blocks border checks. We have Rudraksh and big peacocks in the checks. Look at the border, lovely border contrast, and we have edge contrast here, and this is the pallu with alternate Rudraksh and peacock booties in checks, complete pallu, and the blouse is contrast with border. Lovely combination. To grab this lovely saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ2340. Saree cost 20,900. 73337300 की WhatsApp చేయండి. For customized blouses, designer blouses, contact R for Nandi, R for Rupmani, R brand. One more brand from Brand Mandir. One more yellow, bright yellow this time with pink combination. Same andi, and the pallu, the border, everything same. Slight difference in color ante, and the pallu is different, diamond brocades, florals and pasteles, and this is the blouse with border. Grab this lovely saree, take a screenshot and send it to 73337300. కోడ్ అనేది అందుకే అండి ఇంపార్టెంట్, బికాస్ సారీస్ సేమ్ కలర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతాం. సో కోడ్ ఈజ్ MJ2342. టేక్ ఎ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అండ్ సెండ్ ఇట్ టు 73337300. సృజన గారు బ్లాక్ సారీ అడిగారండి. ఫర్ యూ వన్ మోర్ టైమ్ ఐఎమ్ షోయింగ్ వెరీ లవ్లీ బ్లాక్ అండ్ రెడ్ కాంబినేషన్. Very rich andi, and the borders are very vibrant with peacock and kaddi border along with the edge contrast green color, and this is the pallu andi, very beautiful pallu with light touch of silver stripes, and the blouse is contrast red color with border. Grab this saree, take a screenshot and send it to 73337300. And saree cost 20,900 andi. Now let's move on to one more lovely saree. Parrot green and pink with all over checks and floral booties, peacock booties, gold and silver zari, and the border plain double color peach and pink borders along with the silver and gold kaddi with temple, and this is the pallu cross diamond brocade to cross lines and lovely pastellays here. And this is the contrast blouse with borders. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ2330. Send it to 733 733 7000. For more collections, do visit our website www.brandmandar.com, and for exclusive designer blouses, contact our brand R for Roopmani, one more brand from Brand Mandar. Lovely orange. It's an orangish yellow and a mango yellow almost. A dual shade on the light and dark. You are getting orange at the same time mango yellow shades here. All over pastel and jhumki booties in checks, and the border is very lovely aqua blue with cross kaddi and peacocks and rudraksh booties. And this is the pallu, floral brocade along with the elephant. And the blouse is contrast with border and lines. To grab this lovely saree, take a screenshot and send it to 733 733 7000. Now let's move on to one more lovely saree. Beige and pink combination. All over checks, double checks with rudraksh and peacock booties with gold and silver zari. And the border is peacock border with diamond brocade along with the edge contrast green color. And this is the pallu, contrast pallu with diamond brocade and lovely peacock border with meena. And this is the blouse, magenta pink with border. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ2334. Send it to 733 733 7000. Now let's move on to one more lovely saree. Orange and blue, checks and pastels and jhumkis all over body, and the border we have contrast with kaddi and peacocks and rudraksh. And this is the pallu, floral brocade pallu, and the blouse is contrast with border. Grab this lovely saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ2333. Send it to 733 733 7000. Now let's move on to one more lovely saree. Lovely grey and pink kadandi. Peacock blue and pink combination, all over floral and peacock booties, and the border is floral vines along with the peacocks and kaddi border. And this is the pallu, diamond florals, and the blouse contrast with border. To grab this lovely saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ2312 733 733 7000 की स्क्रीनशॉट తీసి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. Now let's move on to one more lovely saree. green and orange with all over round booties, yalis, horses in silver and gold booties andi, round shape lo. And look at the border, we have yalis and peacocks in blocks and kaddi. And the pallu is completely florals. The blouse is contrast with border. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ 2315. Send it to 733 733 7000. For more collections, do visit our website www.brandmandir.com. Lovely light grey with peach combination with all over Rudraksh and peacock booties. And the border is contrast with yalis and peacocks and diamond border. And the pallu is completely diamond brocade along with the borders, yali border. And the blouse is contrast with border. Take a screenshot and send it to 733 733 7000. Now let's move on to one more lovely saree. Yellow and blue, purple combination. Lovely peacocks with gold and silver saree along with the meena. And the border is checks, contrast checks. We have alternate peacocks and florals along with the temple border. And this is the pallu, lovely pallu with diamond brocade and peacock border. And the blouse is contrast with border. To grab this saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ 2313. Send it to 733 733 7000. Now let's move on to one more lovely saree. Be quick andi. Cream color with all over checks and blue combination. Downside we have contrast border with temple and kaddi lines. And this is the pallu, blue color, kaddi pallu. And the blouse is contrast with border. Very lovely. To grab this lovely saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ 2309. Send it to 733 733 7000. Now let's move on to one more lovely saree, which is in green and pink combination. Reddish, red color andi, red lines vache all over. And the border is red with peacock booties and lines along with the temple. And the pallu is kaddi pallu. And look at the blouse, very lovely color. Contrast with border. To grab this saree, take a screenshot. Send it to 733 733 7000. Now let's move on to one more lovely saree. do visit our website for more collections, www.brandmandir.com. Here we go with lovely sari. Sea green and navy blue combination. Plain sari and the border we have temple and light silver lines. And the pallu is kaddi pallu. And this is the blouse with border. To grab this lovely sari, take a screenshot along with the code MJ23222. Send it to 733 733 7000, and this sari costs 9500. And we have global courier service, and within Hyderabad we are providing cash and delivery option. Lovely bright yellow and green combination, all over checks, thread checks and zari lines, and the border is contrast. And this is the pallu, kaddi pallu. We got a very beautiful blouse for this, checks, contrast lines and zari border. Very beautiful color combination. Take a screenshot and send it to 733 733 7000. Grab this lovely sari, Sandy. Very vibrant color combinations. And these are pure Gadwal silks. White and pink. Such a pretty sari with all over zari checks, and the border is bright pink with temples and zari border, and lovely pallu contrast with diamond booties and florals. And this is the blouse with border, contrast blouse with border. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ2307. Send it to 733 733 7000. Do follow our pages in Instagram and Facebook. And last saree వచ్చేసామండి ఇవాల్టి కలెక్షన్స్ లో ఫైనల్ సారీ. చాలా బాధగా ఉంది బికాస్ ఐ లవ్ గద్వాల్స్. And lovely pink and bright orange yellow combination, pink and yellow combination with all over zari checks కాకుండా thread checks వచ్చాయండి. yellow contrast ఏదైతే వచ్చిందో border ఆ కలర్ checks వచ్చాయి మనకి. And the border is yellow with zari checks and temples with edge contrast. And the pallu, kaddi pallu. And here we go with the blouse, contrast blouse with checks, lines and border. This is how it looks. Grab this lovely sarees, take a screenshot along with the code MJ2310, send it to 733 733 7000. 10,300 and the saree cost. Personally, I love Gadwal Sandi because they are very vibrant colors and they are famous for their sarees. So grab this lovely sarees, take a screenshots, and these videos will be available in Instagram and Facebook. So within 24 hours, మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఆ వీడియోస్ చూసుకొని స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి 7337337000 నెంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. అలాగే ఏదైనా కొరియర్ డిలే ఉంటే ఏది క్వరీ ఉంటే మాత్రం 8886 నెంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. లెట్స్ మూవ్ ఆన్ టు ద టేబుల్స్. And the sarees which I have shown you, మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఏదైనా స్క్రీన్ షాట్ మిస్ అయితే కనుక ఇప్పుడు తీసేసుకోండి and send it to 7337337000. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉన్నాయి కదండి కలర్ కాంబినేషన్. ఐ జస్ట్ లవ్ దిస్ బ్లాక్. ఈ బ్లాక్ ఎవరు తీసుకుంటారో ఎవరు వేసుకుంటారో కానీ వాళ్ళు మాత్రం సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ద అట్రాక్షన్ అవుతారండి డెఫినెట్ గా. అండ్ ఐ లవ్ దిస్ శారీ ఆల్సో. ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ టెలింగ్ మీ ఎవరికి నచ్చిన కలెక్షన్స్ వాళ్ళు చూడొచ్చు, బట్ నా పర్సనల్ గా చెప్తున్నాను ఇది దిస్ వన్ ఐ లవ్డ్ ఇట్ అండ్ దిస్ బ్లాక్ ఐ లవ్డ్ ఇట్ బికాస్ ఐ లవ్ బ్లాక్ కలర్. సో ఆరెంజ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వెరీ గుడ్. And these are latest colors and the colors which I am showing now, these are very latest collections. And this saree also too good andi. Sober ga pastel shades ishtapade vallu you can go for this color combinations. Endukante Gadwal lo arduga vastayi pastel shades anevi because we get bright and darker shades in the Gadwal. And we have very lovely combinations. So grab this lovely sarees, take a screenshots and send it to 7337337000. And let's move on to one more lovely table. Okay Andy, stay tuned and keep following our pages in Instagram and Facebook, and do subscribe our channel Brand Mandar in YouTube. So keep on following for more exclusive collections. See you again. Bye bye. Have a good day.